prop firm with up to 95% profit split, no minimum trading days, and more advantages. I'm talking about Ghost Funded Trader. Basically today I want to make a whole review. I want to go through an account, I want to go through a challenge account with you, and also to talk about the benefits of Ghost Funded Trader and also more details about what's happening with this prop firm, because I'm not the CEO of it, but I'm a part of the team, but also a user of Ghost Funded Trader, because as a trader I'm using it for the challenges. Hi traders, my name is Andrea and welcome to my channel. I've been trading for the last 4 years in the Forex market, and on this channel I share technical analysis, Forex tips, and more things related to Forex. So if you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe. And now what I want to do is to go straight to the website, and then I want to go inside my account, and after that to go on MetaTrader and look at some spreads and at the trading conditions of Ghost Funded. So let's go on the website. By the way, the website will be available in the description box as well, and I will start with the details about this prop firm. I'm pretty sure that you observed the fact that in this year especially a lot of prop firms have launched. Some of them are good, some of them aren't so good, some of them are legit, some of them are kind of fake because they don't give the payouts. So it's pretty hard right now to differentiate the good ones from the bad ones. The best thing for you is to go for the reviews and for the trusty people that know information about them in order to choose one that is good for you and suits you. So right now I'm on the Ghost Funded Traders website, and I want to mention the fact that this prop firm has a lot of funds backed up for the payouts, and also the CEOs are ready to face any kind of troubles that can happen with a prop firm. Also, I want to mention the fact that one of the CEOs is a trader itself, so it knows what rules to add in order to benefit the trader, and also the other one is a great businessman that knows how to manage the prop firm pretty well. You have to look at these things, especially because if the CEOs aren't good enough, probably the business will fail and eventually you won't be paid out, which is the most important thing for you as a prop firm user. So again, I repeat, the CEOs are pretty great and the business model works amazing. Also, the team is pretty great, and as you can see from the website, it's professional. And another thing that some people mentioned about this prop firm is the fact that it looks so clean, which is right, which is true. As you can see, the website looks pretty clean, so it's a pleasure to trade with it. I will go inside the platform and you will see for yourself how clean it is. So right now, as I can see, they also have a coupon, be the goat, for 10% discount. However, I will leave another coupon in the description box as well. You can get funded up to 800k capital with a payout split up to 95%, which is great. I didn't see this with a lot of prop firms. Also, there is the no time limit available, and in the future they will also add the 7% target profit for the phase 1 of the normal challenge, of the original challenge. You can also go on their Discord, which is pretty great. They have a great community there, almost 4k members active, and also to follow them on Twitter because this is the most active page for them. And also, if you go on their Instagram, you will see a lot of reels made by me because I'm the main image of the prop firm. Usually when I'm creating these reels, these materials, I put the same amount of work as the ones on my personal page. I share valuable Forex tips, I share chart videos, I share information about the prop firms and the latest news about Ghost Funded Trader. So you might as well go on the Instagram page and follow it. Also on Twitter, I repeat, they are pretty active. They make a lot of updates, so we can go there and see exactly what's going on. Okay, so back to the website. As I mentioned, no time limit, up to 95% profit split, great CEOs, funds backed up for your payments, so everything is pretty nice for now. I don't see any bad parts right now. Also, the fact that they are using Think Markets as their broker is an advantage because Think Markets has a good reputation. Also, they have good spreads. I will show you in the future on my phone, and also it works pretty great. It's a serious one. By the way, if you want to see more videos that I create, you can go on Ghost Funded Traders YouTube channel. I make content there too. So here I share technical analysis, I share my perspective on passing challenges, I share information about Ghost Funded Trader and a lot of things that might be interesting for you. I will leave the link in the description box as well. So let's have a look at their challenges. They start from 15k up to 200k, and if you merge accounts, you can merge them up to 800k as we've seen before. So you have more variants. As you can see, you have the normal one, the swap free one, the no time limit, and the classic one. You can choose between them. There are multiple combinations that you can make. What I choose is the normal one with no time limit. As I mentioned, in the future they will add the 7% target in the phase 1 for the classic one, but however I prefer the one with no time limit because I'm a slow trader. I usually take like 2-3 trades every week. I'm not trading every day, so for me it's better to have a longer period to take the trades, so this gives me a lot of advantage. So for that I will go with the 100k. Analyze it is the popular one. You have two phases, as you may may already know, and then you will receive the GOAT account plus the refund if you are going to be profitable and to actually pass the challenge. The target for the phase 1 is 8%, which is pretty great, and for the phase 2 is 5%. It's lower than the first phase, so if you've passed the first phase, it's pretty simple for you to pass the second phase. Usually the people that pass the phase 1 pass the phase 2 pretty quick too. Again, as I mentioned, no minimum trading days. In order to receive the GOAT account, you have to trade for 10 minimum days in the first month. So this means that after the 10 minimum trading days, you will also receive the refund, which is $515 for a 100k account, which is pretty good. The daily drawdown is 5% for both phases and also for the live account. The maximum drawdown 8% in phase 1, 8% in phase 2, and also on the GOAT funded account. There is no time limit. Again, this is pretty good for me because I don't take too many trades and I need a larger amount of time in order for me to pass a challenge. As I said before, this is the refund that you will get after finishing the challenge. The leverage is up to 1 to 100, and for the profit split it's up to 95%. Plus you can opt for the weekly payout from the 5th payout. I will share more information about this in the future. I will explain you exactly how to use these things, these advantages in your favor, and also you have no monthly fees. And as I mentioned, 100% fees back on your first payout. And if you go to the frequently asked questions, you can see some general rules. It's not mandatory to use stop loss and take profit. You can trade news. I think you can trade cryptos during the weekend. Yeah, you can. You can hold trades over the weekend. I'm pretty sure you know how to calculate your drawdown, and also we are going to go on the platform and maybe they have a calculator there. You can merge accounts. You can't use EAs, copy traders, whatever. So for the payouts, you will be eligible for your first payout after 30 days from your first trade with a minimum of 10 trading days. After the first payout, you will be paid bi-weekly every 14 days. And then after the fourth payout, meaning the 5th payout, you can access the GOAT payouts, which can be requested weekly. So every 7 days, you will be able to withdraw your money. Also for the profit split, you will receive 75% profit split at the first payout, 80% at the second payout, 85% at the third payout, and 90% at the fourth payout. And however, you will be able to receive the 95% profit split from the 5th payout. Remember the fact that you have to keep the account and to remain consistent, but honestly with these rules, this is pretty simple if you're a proper firm user. Also, I want to mention the fact that you have a pretty useful tool here, which is the lot size calculator. So you can enter all the data here and to calculate your lot size. Remember to not use more than 0.5%, 1% per trade in order for you to pass the challenge smoothly and to not have any problems with it. And now I'm going to log in and to share with you some information inside their platform and to share with you how it looks like. Okay, so I want to mention the fact that I just purchased a 50k challenge account. I didn't trade it yet. However, if you want to see my evolution on the challenge and also how's my trading going with it, you can leave a comment and I'm going to share my journey on this account. As you can see, the platform is really smooth. It looks really nice. It's easy to use. It's user friendly, so you won't have any problems when looking at the account. You will receive the credentials after purchasing the challenge. You will receive them in your email. So the status is active, my account size, the start point, the platform is MetaTrader 5. However, you can use the MetaTrader 4 too, the broker, the plan, which is no time limit, and the live profit share because it's the first time of me using this 75%. I have no certificates yet because I didn't trade it yet. I didn't pass it. Hopefully I will pass it because I'm a huge fan of pro firms too. Again, for a 50k account, the maximum loss is 4k, the profit target is 4k too, the daily loss limit is 2.5k. Amazing. Like, these rules are really achievable. It's so easy nowadays to pass pro firms challenges, but especially this one, because as you can see, the rules are clear, the rules are simple, you don't face any kind of problems. Going lower, you have statistics, trade summary. When I will take trades, they will appear here. Notifications, trade history. I don't have any trade history and this is my chart. However, it's untouched. You have more information here. You also have the affiliate portal. You can become an affiliate and to earn commission from them if you recommend them further, which is amazing. This is what I'm doing too, so you can use my link in the description if you want. If you don't, well, that's it. It's okay with me. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to look a little bit at the spreads. So I will just make a screenshot inside my account on MetaTrader 5, and as you can see, the spreads are amazing. The spreads are really good, and also I want to come with updates when I will actually come and trade on their accounts. So for now I have a 50k challenge to pass, phase 1, phase 2. The rules are simple and also there's no time limit, so because I'm having a busy period right now, it will be amazing for me. However, I will come back with updates even if I pass it, even if I blow it. Like, I will be there to explain you exactly how it went. However, I want to mention that I have unlimited trust for this pro firm. I trust the CEOs, I trust the team, and also I've been working with them for a really long time already, so I can tell that this project will go pretty good. I repeat, go for the pro firms that are covered, go for the pro firms that have a serious team in the back, go for the pro firms that have visible CEOs. The CEOs are constantly on social media, they are posting, they are there, also they are traders, they have communities here, so I believe that this project is doing pretty good already. This is my opinion for now. If anything changes, which I don't think so, I will let you know. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Let me know if you like this video and if you want me to do more of this kind of videos.